Maybach is bad chick, and baby, I'm the baddest, I'm the baddest, I'm the baddest, I'm the baddest. Go!
Now I'm out here looking like revenge, feeling like.
Please, I am back. Yes, I am back, you guys, with another hair review. I want you all to look at this one. I really like her, and I know from my old videos you probably say she always likes all of them. Well, I mean, I'm like a wig fanatic, so I kind of like almost every wig that I get. But this one, I really like her. She's really like corporate America meets I'm going somewhere after work type hair. And this is Freetress Equal, and her name is Jannie. I'm hoping I'm saying the right, Jannie. And I have her in the color OM2730613, or it's 273016. So it's an ombre. OM's ombre. So the top part would be kind of like a 27, and then we'll go down to like the 30, and then the bottom is the 613, which is the blondish color. So let's talk about this wig. I've worn this wig for probably like 2 days, and I really do like her. I think it's very work friendly, and it resembles like permed hair. Like the texture is like this nice yaki texture, but it's not super yaki. Look at that shine. Woo! It's not super yaki, but it's really a nice texture for work, or to get up and go. It's a real get up and go wig, because you don't have to do much to it. I can just put it on, comb it, brush it, what do you want to do, and that's that. Now, I'll say the length is probably, oh, I can't see because of my hood. Maybe like 16 inches. And I'm not a huge short wig girl, but I really do like this one. And it fits my face really good. I really do like that. Ooh, I keep playing with it. Sorry, y'all, I keep playing with it because it's a really nice wig. Now this one comes in 1B, you know, the normal, and then they have some, if y'all can see that, they have like some special colors there, but it just seems like it's like brown and reds, and then they have like a purple black. That should be really pretty. I might get that, but I might get another one of these, just like get a solid color just for everyday wear. Now, cap construction. You have 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. Now the combs are like right here, so they're really close together. If you don't like that, I'm sorry. But if you do, I mean, that's fine. I do believe this is big head friendly, because I had to get a little close with the adjustable straps so it can fit tight, but it is tight on my head, so this thing's not going anywhere. Now, I will say the lace that I cut off and the lace that is on the wig is kind of scratchy. I know, ladies. I mean, it's a scratchy type lace. I mean, I love this wig to death, but this lace is a little itchy. But other than that, I really do think this is a really good wig. It's really soft. And as I've been talking to you all, I have been playing with it, and I have not gotten a lot of snags at all. Just like minor shading, and that's because I plucked the part. The part did not come this way. I did have to pluck it a little, and I added concealer, or I've added foundation, I'm sorry, under the wig where the part was. But other than that, I really do think this is a really good wig. And I think it'll fit any face. You know, I don't think you have to have like a face full of makeup. I think if you just feel like getting up, going to the grocery store, throw this bad boy on, no makeup, just face, just bare, and I really do think it would still work. It's a really nice permed looked wig. That's what it's giving me. It's giving me those perm vibes. Like I just got a wrap after my perm, even though I'm natural, I don't get perms anymore. But yeah, ladies, I really have missed you all. I really have, and I just enjoy giving reviews. I really do. And I have a new setup. I really want to set this area up for y'all. I don't want to just give y'all bare background. But anyway, lovelies, I have missed you all, and I hope that you go ahead and pick this up. I'll leave all the information down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all of that. And lovelies, stay lovely.